Alright guys, so I'm back with yet another video on the ongoing international travel ban from India to Canada. Air Canada, the official carrier of people, of travelers from India to Canada and all the other countries to Canada, came out through their official sources about an extension of their travel ban from India to Canada. We are discussing this important piece of information today in this video. Please be tuned till the end. Hi guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there, and today we are discussing an important piece of information. But before we start this video, I would request you to kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you are a new viewer or a returning viewer, we would request you to be subscribed because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration, and if you are an aspirant to move to Canada, this is the channel that you must be watching. Guys, what we are discussing today is the update that came through Air Canada's official sources, which includes its website and Twitter channel. Now, as you can see on the screen, Air Canada clearly was responding to this person on their official Twitter channel, and they said that the flights from Vancouver to Delhi are scheduled to resume starting the August 16th, 2021. Now guys, just giving a quick background, we all know that Air Canada had banned or had stopped its operations from between Canada and India, direct operations, up until the end of July. Also, IRCC and the CBSA and the ministries had put a ban on flights from India to Canada up until the 21st of July. Now all of this was expected to be lifted by the end of July because the cases are dipping. But surprisingly, what Air Canada had to say through its official website, as you can see on the screen, is that non-stop flights from Toronto to between Delhi and Toronto will be resuming on July 29th. And just below that, the next notification is that the flights between Delhi and Vancouver will be resuming on the 16th of August. As you can see, Air Canada on its official channel has been replying to a lot of other people with the same lines. We don't know whether the ministry is also going to do the same thing, because this is just the carrier. Okay, there are no official confirmations from the Government of Canada so far. No IRCC notifications, no Public Health Agency Canada, no CBSA. Nobody said anything about extending the flight ban till August, like the mid of August. Nothing of that sort. But this is just the air carrier, and guys, this is the official air carrier, right? So whenever Air Canada extends the ban, you can expect something to happen. We don't know whether it's going to be extended or not, but the news that you just saw is not really promising a travel by the end of July. We don't know. We are still waiting to see how things are going to shape up. In another update, guys, there was another notification by Air Canada that they are planning to down gauge the flights between Delhi and Toronto. Okay, now if that down gauge happens, which means smaller planes are going to lesser travel schedule, smaller planes, lesser number of people will be allowed to travel. Well, nothing promising here. Okay, this is not so good news, but let's see how it shapes out. Could be anything under the sun. Could be probably only a few type of people traveling, as in like few category of people, be it citizens or permanent residents, or could be students. We don't know, because definitely Air Canada is reducing its operations and it's down gauging, right? So that is not promising. Again, when you put that news and this stopping operations between India and Vancouver, between Delhi and Vancouver, let's see what comes our way. This was just a quick update to let you know that things are happening around it, and we can expect an update really soon. Guys, once again, it was lovely chatting with you. I hope you got important information today, and if you have anything else to discuss, please feel free to book a consultation, and I would be more than happy to connect with you. Once again, lovely chatting with you, and we will meet you soon in the next video. Wish you all the best and see you soon in Canada.